The name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. May peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah the Almighty be upon all of you. I'm Umar bin Abid, and you are watching Umar Linguistics. So, dear viewers, in this lecture, we are going to look at a tool which is a best learning tool, listening tool, pronunciation tool, and besides these features, there are a lot of other features as well in this tool. And the best thing about this tool is that it is totally free. So these are the features which we are going to look at in this tool. Focus reading, different themes, we can change fonts, or we can increase the size of fonts, read and listen, syllable division. For example, if we have a larger word, so we can break it into syllable so we can pronounce it easily. Parts of speech recognition, this tool will automatically convert your text into or label your text according to parts of speech. Automatic translation, it can translate a web page into almost any language of the world or any major language of the world. Picture dictionary, this tool will automatically create a picture for you for some words for which we need to have a picture, and it will automatically remove the ads from the website on which you are reading. So this is very interesting tool. So after seeing its feature, I'll tell you its name and how to use it. So the first thing about this tool is that this tool works in Microsoft Edge browser, which is, Microsoft Edge browser is available in Windows system, and you can download it as well. All right, so now in this Microsoft Edge browser, I have searched this term, Test of the Double Spark Notes. So this is a novel and I want to look its summary, I want to look its themes. So I am going to the website of Spark Notes where Test of the Doubles is available. This is the website. So this is the website, and now I let's say I want to read the plot overview of this novel. So once I click plot, so now this is the page which I am going to read, and you can see here are ads, and it seems very difficult to read. Sometimes words are very congested, so if you are going to read 10,000 words in at such a page, so it will really you can say create some problem, or it can create stress for you. So now we are going to use that tool. So you can see here, as I am on this page, when I open this page, plot overview, so there is a symbol created in this way. Now I am going to click on this button. Yes, so now you can see the page has totally changed. There are no ads, nothing else. Now I am going to use this tool in a more, you can say, convenient way. So as you go here, so we have a lot of options like read aloud, text preferences, grammar tools, and reading preferences. We'll use each one by one. First of all, we are going to click at read aloud, and what will happen?
Tess of the D'Urbervilles. The poor peddler John Dur Bayfield is stunned to learn that he is the descendant.
It starts reading your text. Now in voice options, you can change the narrator into any language or into any accent. You can also increase or decrease the speed of the narrator. For example, if I go to here, and now if I play now.
Descendant of an ancient noble family, the D'Urbervilles.
Alright, so in this way you can listen as well, at the same time you can read. So this was the reading tool, reading and listening tool. In text preferences, there are a lot of options. All right, So first of all, we have the text size. We can increase the text size, so it is medium. I can go it to large, or I can create it to medium. All right. The other option is text spacing. So these words are little bit congested. Even then, even in this situation, these words are very easy to read. But if I want to create more space between words, so I click on this button, and now it is more easy to read. You can see. Now if I want to change the page theme, so here you can say you can see these are the page themes, and there are a lot of options. So for example, during night I can choose these themes, so now it is more easy to read. All right, so these are the theme options. You can change any one according to your choice. So this was the focus reading or text spacing. Another thing is that you can change the fonts as well by going to reading preferences. But before this, we are going to look at grammar tools, where we look at parts of speech recognition. In grammar tools, first of all, this option, syllable, split words into syllable. So as you click on this option, so you can see the words are divided into different syllables: several, resisting, family, Christians, sorrow. So I think it is a very good way if your children want to learn a new language, especially English. Here there is the option of parts of speech, and for each part of speech we have different colors, and we can also change these colors. So if I choose the option noun, so all noun on this page will be converted into purple color. If I choose verb, now verb have this color, you can change this color as well. All right. After that, I can also see the adjectives, I can also see the adverbs. So it is a very good way to understand language. Not only this, I can also create their labels as well. Now above each word there is a label, but I think it will create some reading problems sometimes, so I think it's better not to use this. But in the beginning, for children, for a small text, you can use this. These were the grammar tools, but there are some more tools as well. Let me turn off this. Reading preferences. What you can do here, first of all, line focus. So you can focus 3 lines in one go. For example, now just press the down button, or from here, so you can see it's very easy to read, and even it makes your reading fast. You can also focus to just 3 lines or 1 line, it's your choice. All right, and when you want to close it, just click here. Another option is picture dictionary, which I have already selected. So now what will happen, as you move your cursor, so at some points, let me first change the theme. So this star will appear wherever a word has a picture, this star will appear. You can see I am moving the cursor. Test, enjoys. All right, on enjoys there is a star, you can see, and now you click on this, so enjoys. So very good for if you want to imagine words, or for your children. All right. Then another option which I was talking about, translate. So although machine translation has some problems, but it is progressing, and it is making itself more, you can say, more accurate. So you can convert this page into many languages. For example, if I select Urdu and translate the whole page, so In this way, the whole page will be translated into Urdu. Or if I want to, for example, French or Danish, and now I choose yes. So the whole page has been translated uh, into Danish. All right. So these were some things in this tool. One thing more, sometimes when you will open a web page, this icon which is appearing here, uh, this one, this might not appear, but it happens with just a few exceptions, just a few pages, but at most of the pages this icon will appear, and as you click, the page will be converted into this way. So what is this tool, and what is the name for this tool? So the name of this tool is Immersive Reader, and it is available in Microsoft Store, which is automatically installed in Windows system, and it is totally free. You just have to install it, and after install you have to click launch button. It will automatically add to your Microsoft Edge browser, and whenever you open a web page like this, so this icon will appear and you will click on this icon and the page will convert it into this form. Moreover, Microsoft Edge is also convenient to read some PDF books, and in that PDF books we have option like read aloud, we can zoom, we can draw, like underline anything, we can highlight, and we can erase, and we can save that one. Alright, so I hope you have enjoyed this. So don't forget to give your feedback, remember in your prayers, and in incoming videos you can watch more tools from my side, and more reading tools, and more you can say interesting tools for improving our studies. And you can watch other videos on linguistics, so and how language works. Jazakallah khairan, and thank you.